No, do that thing again. All right, these are from Grandma Cookie. Yep. Oh. What's it say?
What's it say?
Spot it.
It's probably a game.
Let me see. Let me see it.
While you're taping, I'm going to open this one.
Okay. Oh, it is a game. It's like...
A new hat!
Oh,
Yay.
awesome.
Oh, that is a cool hat.
That's it. But it's too little.
Open the back up.
Here, let me open it up for you.
Yes. Yeah. I want
Let me fix it for you.
anything else in there? Nope. I want to see what this is while you're still.
There you go. Put the hat on. See if that's big enough for you.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, wow. That is neat. Yeah, you know how to do it, huh? It's like a giant maze, huh?
Awesome.
Who's that from?
Grandma Cookie.
Oh,
What do you say?
You need to say thank you for that.
Thank you, McGristicle. Wait, Grandma Cookie. Now I still videoing. I'm opening.